In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to custom user permissions in QuickBooks Online Advanced. Let's start right inside QuickBooks. First, go up to the top right corner of your screen and look for the little gear icon, often called the settings icon. Go ahead and click that. From the menu that opens, choose Manage Users. This is the main area where you control who has access to your QuickBooks file and what they can do inside it. Once you're on the Manage Users page, look for the tab labeled Roles. This is different from individual users. Roles let you define a set of permissions once and then assign that role to multiple people. It keeps things consistent and saves you a lot of time as your team grows. Click on the Roles tab to open it. Now, we're going to create a new custom role. Click the button that says Add Role. A new window or panel will open, asking you for a name and description. Choose a clear, specific name that reflects what this person will be doing, like sales estimator or bookkeeper. In the description, add a short explanation of the responsibilities or limits of this role. This helps anyone managing users later quickly understand what this role is meant for. Next comes the most important part, setting permissions. You'll see different sections you can control, such as sales, expenses, banking, lists, accounting, payroll, reports, and time tracking. Go through each section that's relevant for this role and decide what access is appropriate. For each section, you can choose what actions this role is allowed to perform. Typically, you'll see options like View, Create, Edit, and Delete. For example, if someone needs to build estimates but you don't want them sending invoices, you could allow them to create and edit estimates in Sales, while leaving invoice permissions locked down. Take your time here and think about what this person truly needs to do their job without giving unnecessary access. If your company uses locations in QuickBooks, you'll also see options to limit access by location. That means you can allow a user to work only with a specific store, branch, or region instead of your entire company file. You may also see options around approvals and claims. This is where you decide whether this role can approve transactions, like bills or expenses, or submit their own expense claims. Only turn on approval rights for people who are actually responsible for authorizing spending. When you're satisfied with all the permissions you've chosen, scroll down and select Save Role. QuickBooks will store this custom role so you can easily assign it to new or existing users whenever you need.